Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Got a little something going on in my sinuses, probably allergies. I still need some more bow drill spindles. Let's try this tree of heaven right here. I've seen other videos where it works. I always thought it was kind of poisonous to humans, but my plant ID app says that it's poisonous to animals, not to humans. All right, it is visibly smaller. Let's see if it's dry. It's lighter. It's only been 6 hours. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Looks like a good spot between here and here, doesn't it? And I'll probably get another spindle out of it too. Let's give it a try. That is very, very soft. And I'll try to shape it up a little bit. I'll go with that. It's not perfect. This will be the hot end and this will be the barren block end. Oh, it's got a pithy area right in the center. That's going to be a challenge for the barren block end. Need to drive that down in there farther. Let's give it a try. That tip is about that long, shoved down inside the pith. It's a pine fireboard. we're ready to give it a try. See if we can get a burn in, see what that looks like. And of course, we're only getting friction on the outside, not on that pithy center. Let me cut a notch, I'll be right back. And I only cut that notch just inside the burn ring. I think it'll work. Tree of Heaven on pine. Pine needles tender bundle on top of leaves. Oh, and I will mention that there was so much pith in that Tree of Heaven spindle that I had to put a little, like 2.5 inch piece of oak in it, a little twig, and it's doing great for the bearing block end. I will go ahead and take these corners off so it'll stay down in there. FedEx is here, so you'll hear some talking in the background. I'm not sure how that's going to coalesce. Hopefully it'll coalesce like it's supposed to. Right now it is really, really grainy. Let's give it a chance. Try not to sweat down into it. Yeah, that's not acting right. Let me see if I can gently get it into these pine needles. This is probably going to do a lot better after it completely dries. Look at my little off-center tip right there. That thing did a good job, didn't it? Big old pith area. It's been a long time since I've used a spindle that had a big pith or a hollow in it like that. But it did just fine for 6 hours of drying. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I'll go ahead and save that. I'll probably turn that into a spindle also.